VerbaHub 5, where language meets intelligence.
Descriptive writing creates vivid mental pictures for the reader. It allows readers to perceive subjects through senses like sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. The primary purpose is to help the reader clearly imagine and visualize the subject matter. Descriptive writing employs specific linguistic devices to enhance imagery and reader engagement. These include adjectives for nouns, adverbs for actions, and sensory language appealing to the five senses. Imagery creates vivid descriptions, while similes and metaphors provide evocative comparisons. A simple statement like, "The garden was beautiful," provides basic information without vivid imagery. Descriptive writing enhances this by adding specific details and sensory language. This enriches the reader's experience, creating greater clarity and immersion. Narrative writing fundamentally aims to tell a story or share an experience. This can involve events that are either factual or entirely imagined. It establishes a clear sequence of events, ensuring a logical progression from one moment to the next. Narrative writing is built upon foundational elements that collectively form the framework of any story. Key components include defined characters who drive the action and a specific setting for time and place. A plot outlines the unfolding sequence of incidents, completing the structural framework of the narrative. Effective narrative writing utilizes various linguistic tools to enhance reader engagement and comprehension. These tools include dialogue for character conversations, action verbs for dynamic movement, and chronological order for sequential events. Descriptive details are also crucial, as they create vivid mental imagery for the audience, enriching the narrative experience. Expository writing serves to explain or inform, focusing on clear and logical presentation. It delivers facts, information, or processes in an objective manner. This style deliberately avoids personal opinions or subjective interpretations. Expository writing uses specific language devices to achieve clear explanation. These include simple, unambiguous language, verifiable facts, statistics, and illustrative examples. Step-by-step instructions and logical connectors like first, next, and therefore guide the reader. Expository writing employs a structured approach, evident in instructional texts. It presents information in clear, sequential steps, such as, first, gather all the ingredients. This method prioritizes direct explanation for easy reader comprehension over descriptive language. Persuasive writing is a communication technique aimed at influencing a reader's perspective. It also seeks to prompt the reader to undertake a specific action. This technique is commonly used in advertising, political speeches, and product reviews to sway opinion or behavior. Persuasive writing utilizes various linguistic devices to achieve its objectives effectively. These include emotive language, strong opinions, and rhetorical questions to engage the audience. It also employs reasons, repetition, and clear calls to action for impact and guidance. Advertisements often employ rhetorical questions to challenge consumers' current choices and create a desire for something better. Emotive language, such as crystal clear or experience entertainment like never before, aims to evoke strong positive feelings. These techniques are combined with a direct call to action, like upgrade today, to prompt immediate consumer response. Argumentative writing is a formal academic style presenting a clear position or claim. It supports this claim with robust evidence and logical reasoning. Unlike persuasive writing, it relies on factual research and rational arguments, not emotions. Academic writing employs formal language, logical reasoning, and empirical evidence. It integrates statistics, research findings, and expert opinions to support claims. Counter-arguments are often addressed to strengthen the presented claims. Argumentative writing uses evidence to support a claim, like advocating for daily reading programs in schools. The claim is supported by research indicating improved vocabulary and critical thinking skills in students. This demonstrates the objective and analytical nature of argumentative writing, using logic to persuade. Descriptive writing creates vivid mental images for the reader. It uses adjectives, sensory words, and evocative imagery to achieve this effect. Expository writing explains or informs, relying on facts, logic, and sequence markers for clarity. Narrative writing aims to tell a story, employing dialogue for character interaction. It develops distinct characters and uses action verbs to advance the plot. Persuasive writing seeks to convince readers using emotive language and rhetorical questions. Argumentative writing aims to prove a specific claim or assertion. It rigorously supports its position using evidence, statistics, and logical reasoning. This style constructs a case to validate its central argument.
Dear students, to test your understanding, click the link in the description and attempt the quiz. Good luck!